Hi everybody, this is Artie from the YouTube channel Party with Peg and Artie. This weekend me and Peg took a cruise on the Carnival Liberty. We stayed in stateroom 2428, which was an ocean view room. And we enjoyed it very much. Step inside and let me give you a few thoughts on this room. It's very standard with the closets on the right and the bathroom on the left. As you open the door you see hangers to hang your garments, and you have plenty of room. The other closet had plenty of shelves. The lighting in the room was very good. The AC worked outstanding. As you go into the bathroom, you can see that there's plenty of room, much bigger than the newer cruise ships. That was enjoyable. There is an outlet on the left-hand side above that round mirror that you can use for electric devices, but only worked when the lights were on. The couch is comfortable and the bed also is very comfortable. We had no complaints. Other than there's only one outlet in the room, which we needed to be kind of crafty to charge all our devices. It is right underneath the galley and the restaurant, which gave us some noise issues. But me and Peg are not very sensitive to noise, so it didn't bother us too much. But if you're thinking of this cabin, you got to take that into account. You will hear some noise, some tables moving and such. But it was so nice waking up in the morning and looking out the window and seeing the ocean. That was very enjoyable. Some of the items we used to help charge our devices was extension cords, USB adapters, and also other electronic adapters. This made things a lot easier. And we did have plenty of time to charge all our devices. The room is in the aft and is really close to the elevator, right by that exit sign. You can also walk down the hallway and catch the forward elevators to go to the upper decks. I could definitely recommend this ship to go on a cruise. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Artie from the YouTube channel Party with Peg and Artie. I hope you all have a great day. Enjoy this vlog. Please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment also.